I will get your cell phone for you. Take a seat.
While inside this police car parked on train tracks, Yoreni Rios survived.
Dispatch 346 did a medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
15 months later, she continues to recover with substantial body and brain injuries.
22M3126.
Today, the Platteville police officer who pulled her over for road rage
I didn't know she was in my car.
and then parked on the train tracks stood before a judge.
I'll accept the guilty plea.
As part of a plea deal, Pablo Vasquez pleaded guilty to misdemeanor reckless endangerment. 4 other charges were dropped. The judge gave Vasquez 1 year of unsupervised probation, and his case will be dismissed if he stays out of trouble.
That is obviously a little disappointing, I'll say, to Ms. Rios-Gonzalez.
Christopher Ponce is the attorney for Yoreni Rios. He says his client was hoping for a permanent conviction.
For her, the most important thing is that he just not go back to policing. I think for the sake of the community and for the sake of any other potential future person who might come into contact with him, I think that is the hope, and that's yet to be seen.
Vasquez is no longer a cop. However, today's guilty plea will not affect his police certification, meaning he could get hired again.
Is there any weapons in the car?
The other officer that was with him that night, Jordan Steinke of Fort Lupton, was convicted of misdemeanor assault and lost her police certification this past summer. She placed Rios in the police vehicle Vasquez parked on the train tracks. Today, he gave the judge a brief statement about that night.
I did my job as a law enforcement officer, then responded to protect the people of this state. Unfortunately, the sequence of events occurred, and things just happened one after another. That's all I'd say.
It's expected Vasquez will also be able to have his case sealed once he's done with his probation. He declined to talk to us after the court hearing. In the meantime, Yoreni Rios has a pending lawsuit against the towns of Platteville and Fort Lupton. Settlement mediation talks are expected to begin in May of next year. Back to you.
This plea was a long time coming, to be fair.
Yeah, 15 months. This happened in September of 2022, a long time coming. Delays happen. There's discussions that happen, but in the end, the district attorney's office said in court today this was a result they felt was fair to the people and to the victim.
Okay, and those other trials down the road. Thank you.
Yep.